Alright, let's get into that. So we have at our balance today $12. Let's see where that brings us. I'm not planning for a crazy long session today, so that's why I'm going not with $2. I'm going with $12 straight away. And the first one, what I see here is I see a rising trend, an upward trend, bullish trend going on. So this is, I'm gonna work with that. Where indicators wise, I am using a couple of moving averages, SMAs, 5 and a 10er, and then I'm using also Vortex, which is a pretty cool thing, pretty easy to use and understand. So Vortex here is showing us that the price is going up. So we're on a pullback here, so it's a good point to just jump in. You saw this pullback just now, but now you know the price is going back up, so that's a pretty good situation in our advantage. So let's wait for the result and move on. And here is our first profit, $23. So straight away we got some to work with. 92% payout is pretty good. So we are going to continue with $23 for our next option. Let's move on to the next currency. How about this one? So here I have a similar situation. Both of the moving averages are looking up. They're also acting if needed as support levels at this stage. And then I see a clear, nice. Actually, let's move on to this short pullback that we're gonna experience. So see, I acted quickly because I saw that the red candle started working out. Although we have all the indications of the price moving up, and it will, but I think we have time to just jump into this pullback quickly to make profit. And I hope I'm right. It's not every time 100%, obviously, but we are trying to work with a dynamic market. So let's see if that works out. Hopefully it does, and let's wait for the result and continue. And here we have the profit, $44 for this option. As you can see, it's growing every time. It gives us 92%. I think all of them, some of them are 90%, but basically it's that. It's given us a pretty good profit from each option, and that's why we're using the entirety of the option. So $44, next option, and we move on. There's a clear bearish trend going on, but there is a support level there, so we're gonna go ahead and work with that. We're gonna go ahead for a call option here. Right there we see a nice support level, as you can see. Also what you see here is that the trend is going down, but you also gotta look out for those levels, because if you would just look at the indicator and the oscillator, then you're going to be in trouble, and that's how a lot of mistakes are made. If you want to avoid those mistakes, we have a super useful Telegram group. You can join. In the description to this video there's a link, the invite link to it, and me and my team, we share a lot of useful information, years of experience, guys. So do use it, because it's a filtered information given to you. Also, there's signals trading sessions going on. I have a pretty cool team that you can learn from them. And yeah, let's wait for the result of this. And there it is, the result. We didn't have to wait this time. $84 is already on our balance. We're gonna move on with that amount for our next option. Yeah, so let's put that in, 84, and let's go to here. 90% payout, not too bad. Okay, 84. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make this put option
So there was a kind of an intent to break through. So there was like a flat, then it dropped again, then it tried to go through and break this resistance level. It didn't go too well for the currency, and it did not have enough power, enough to go through and get higher. So therefore it's kind of a tricky situation, but basically I think so. Here we see the two moving averages also, which we could pretty much break through them. So they are acting as a support level at this point. As you can see, that's what happens, is breaking through it. So yeah, so let's move on with 160. So this was a really great one, and let's continue with that. Okay. So what do we have here? We have the vortex that's kind of going down, but we have the two moving averages looking up and acting as a support level there. And let's go ahead, and I already made this put option, and the idea here, basically you saw this big red candle. That's kind of what is called as a bear consumption, so of the buyers basically. So the buyer came, and then the price went up, and then people started cashing in their profits, and the bearish candle kind of moved, ate all of the growth that just happened. So this is the idea behind that. Also, just before that, there's also a pattern, and there is an upside down. Let's have a look. $307 of profit already. So that's a pretty good result, guys, considering we started with something like $12, right? So yeah, 300 already on our balance, and as you can see, we broke through those moving averages. So that's something, right? Okay, what's next? So $300 option is going to be next. And okay, let's put that in, and we go to the next one. Okay, so what we see here, we're gonna go ahead for a call option. You saw that vortex indication, that the green line, it's going up. It's trying to, so there was this kind of a flat, and basically you can see that the graph is trying to get out of this kind of trapped situation there. Yeah, so when you see that you're breaking through your moving averages, in this case a 5 and a 10, if you see a situation similar like this and you're breaking through those moving averages, because they are acting also, sometimes you could interpret as a resistance level or a support level. In this case, a resistance level, and we're breaking through it. So it's a good, we'll wait until that happens, until we're we broke those, and then we make the next step. So guys, here we have another profit, $583. That was a pretty good profit. And okay guys, so, and that works. As you can see, the indications, the interpretation, it works. Guys, I'm gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and it's a really great result. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.